Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below for a shout out in my next video. First 3 comments get a shout out, so go comment soon. And yeah, so welcome to my winter restock. I have so many good slimes in this, so I would definitely recommend buying. The link is in the comments. Make sure to go follow my Instagram too. It is Cuddles Slimey. So this first slime is called Snowfall in the Trees. And it's a really nice clicky slime with some white foam beads. And it just has a couple of them, not a lot in there, but it's still really nice. And yeah, it's an 8-ounce, scented like Christmas tree. This next slime is Christmas Crunch, and it's a really nice slime with green and red foam beads, and I definitely recommend it because it's just really nice, and it has a great texture. It's like clicky, and yeah, sorry the foam beads weren't to the top, but I just needed to get these videos done. And yeah, I really like this slime. It's an 8-ounce. I think I already said that. And it scented like Christmas cake, but that may sound weird, but it's actually a really nice scent. And yeah, link in comments. And also, I hope you guys like my new logo. I really love it. It's really nice, and credits are on my Instagram. So yeah, it's in my bio. This next slime is called Christmas Snow, and it is a layered cloud slime. It has red on the bottom, green in the middle, and white on the top. And it also has some green and red foam beads on the top. And it's just a really nice slime. And yeah, I didn't mix it because I didn't want to like waste it for you guys. And yeah, this next slime is called Cozy Fire. And it's a really interesting slime. It's like clear with like brown, orange, and yellow. And it's interesting, but it's really thick and clear. It's not my favorite from this restock, but it's still a good slime. Obviously, I love all my slimes from my restock. And yeah, this is a 6-ounce, and it's unscented for the clarity. And oh, also Christmas Snow was a 6-ounce as well. This next slime is called Dashing Through the Snow, and it's a really nice slime, and credits of the name and slime is on my Instagram. It was at Whaley Slime Co. Go follow her on Instagram. She gave me the slime idea, and it was really nice of her to do it. And yeah, it's just a really nice cloud slime. Sorry this isn't a good video. It's just like I only have so much room, so like yeah. But it's still a really nice slime. And yeah, I definitely recommend this one. It's a really nice cloud slime. And yeah. By the way, this is a 6-ounce slime. So yeah, because you guys always ask me what the sizes are. And yeah, it's in the description in my shop. So make sure to go check it out, because it's in the description. It's just you guys always ask me, but it's fine. I don't mind answering. This next slime is called Snowman, and it's honestly one of my favorite slimes from this restock because its face is just so cute and like amazing. And yeah, this is a 6-ounce slime, and it's a new texture and that I've been working on, and it's like a snow. It's like a crunchy snow texture, and I honestly just really love it. It's just amazing, and it's so crunchy. Like, here are the crunches. Like, it's amazing, and I definitely love it. It's my second time having one of these slimes, because in my last restock, I had Patrick, and Patrick is one of these slimes. So, yeah. This is scented like birthday cake, and it is a 6-ounce. Link is in the comments. This next slime is called Winter Wonderland, and I love this slime as well. It's a pigmented slime, and it's blue, and it's just really nice. It has some glitter in it, and it's just like a Winter Wonderland, and it's just like amazing, and it's unscented for the clarity and stuff, and yeah, it's just really pretty, and oh my god, it's super thick, so I definitely recommend getting this. It's like also another one of my faves, and yeah, it's just really pretty. It's an 8 ounce, and like I said, it's unscented for the clarity, and link is in the comments. This next slime is called Rudolph, and yeah, it's just a really cute slime that I put on it. I put like a red pom-pom and then like the ears on it, and it's just really cute. This is a butter slime, and it's really nice. Like, it's so spreadable and just amazing. And I have 2 of these in my shop. It's a 6 ounce. And yeah, I just definitely recommend this one. It's so spreadable and nice. And yeah, link is in comments. These are not in my shop. They're just cute little sample slimes that come with every order. And I have more than 3. It's just I'm just showing you 3 of them. And yeah, you could get any one of these 3 slimes. But some of these slimes are for my restock. So I'll make sure you won't get the one that's for my restock, because you don't want like a mini version of the same slime. So yeah, remember the link is in comments, and I would definitely buy from this restock. Shoutouts for today go to Maddie Underwood, AK_Mountain Slimes, and Val Slimes. Thank you so much for being active. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.